Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA is currently setting up for that, ideally that one more low that we've been watching for, that I've been highlighting in the last few days, that I'd like to see that one more low. It hasn't really done that now, not yet, okay? It's just like a triple bottom at the moment, but these, as I mentioned in the last video, they rarely hold. What I really like to see is that more convincing break below the 40-cent level. You might ask, why is it important? Well, because it would allow at least for, well, the price, there is not going to be a low in place until we see a first impulse to the upside anyway. A first impulse to the upside, followed by a corrective pullback. That's essentially what we need to see, right? But due to this double bottom, these are typically unreliable bottoming structures. So what I wanted to see to tidy up this entire mess, because when we form a new low, the price can attempt another rally and an impulse. From here, it's difficult because we haven't put that additional low in place and all the rallies could still be part of this structure. It wouldn't be very clear. So the next downside target is still 36 to 38 cents. Oh, we've been talking about this for weeks now. And most recently, the price broke after that fourth wave triangle that you can see in the white count below the 41.9 cent level or 42 cent level, the red line. We wanted to see some clarity, need to get some clarity. Okay, which direction are we breaking out? This here was range trading, something for range traders, frustrating. Now we had something for breakout traders. We have this break, retest. And now, since then, since this retest at 42 cents, the price has now been setting up for this further downside movement, ideally to 36 to 38 cents. Let's see, wave twos are often deep. Wave twos often scare people, they really do. They often scare people, and I think that's what we see currently in the market. At the same time, while this is still part of an overall bullish scenario, it is wise to be on the side of caution until we get that confirmed reversal, which would require, well, from here, I would still like to see a break at least above this first dotted trend line, right? At least above this first trend line. Then the price from there could take us to around about 50 cents to the next high around 52. And then if we get above 52, then we should have really a good confirmation that a low is in place. First of all, however, I'd like to get that, that lower low done, confirmed in that area between 36 to 38 cents. So this is an area to watch there. There is not only, these are Fibonacci extensions, but also it is here the 61.8 retracement level, which is one of the most relevant Fibonacci retracements. So downside is still very much, especially, it's the earliest signal that maybe something more bullish is playing out is a reversal now above the Sunday high at 42 cents. But that's really like the earliest signal. Against that's the key level against which we can still focus on lower, and as I said, 36 to 38 the next target range. Below that level we only have really 29 cents left as key support, and also in addition to that, if we talk about the 36 to 38 cent area, let's activate the VRVP volume profile here, or visible range. Here you can see a spike in that area as well from this previous consolidation that happened in November last year. So consolidation in that area between 38 and 36 cents. So pay attention to that area there, because it's not only a Fibonacci support zone and a Fibonacci level, support level, but also we might get some, let's say, structural support from these previous, ups and downs. It typically at least slows the price down. But now I wouldn't be surprised if it drops to that area. At least there's another attempt that could be made. I assume we are going down to that level, 38 to 36, to that range, as long as the price stays below 42 now. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.